I hope all of you fine in your home. Once again, welcome to our online classes. Students, you can see me in a different way, that is, I can visible to you in a corner of a mobile. I hope all of you enjoy today's lesson. Students, already we have finished our third chapter, that is plants grow from a seeds. How plants grow from seeds I already explained you in video. So now today's time for to complete our exercise part. Okay, what we have learned from this chapter, now we will check through exercise. Okay, so let's start our exercise part. All of you open your workbook. First question you see, color the seeds and write their names. What? Color the seeds and write their names. First you see different figures are given, different seeds and their figures also given. We have to first apply the color according to their exactly color. We have to apply and we have to write their seeds name. Yes or no, students? First you can see, students, see, this is the peach. Yes or no? This is the peach. Here you see, this is a pea. How is the peach color, how the peach seeds color, you have to apply. This is your work, you have to apply. So this is the peach. And next figure you see, you can see, students. Can anyone tell me what is the figure of this? What is the name of this image or figure? Very good, groundnut. You might have eaten this in your home or market also sometimes. For time pass we will eat. So this is the groundnut. Okay. So you have to apply the how the groundnut color exactly. You saw also before. So you have to apply. This is the groundnuts. Next third figure you can see. This is the sweet lime. Okay. Sweet lime. And how is the seeds? You have to apply. Okay, sweet lime. Next come to next question, that is next figure, it is cherry. Okay, when you will cut a cherry, in middle you will get this type of figure. So how the cherry seeds will looks, we have to apply the color. Okay, students, very good. Next image you can see, students, it is very easy to identify. Yes, that is mango. Okay, and how the mango seed you can saw before also, you might have seen you might have eaten in your home also mango. So exactly how mango seeds looks like, you have to apply color like this. Okay, so this is the mango, this is the cherry. Now it is, can anyone tell me what is the name of this image? Very good, tomato. Okay, tomato. So it is the tomato. Inside there are some seeds are there. How the tomato seeds looks like exactly, you have to apply color and down you have to write the tomato. Okay, so this is the tomato. And right corner who will say, what is the name of this image? Very good, watermelon. And summer season we will eat we will eat watermelon and tomato every day. We will add to our curry, that is in our kitchen. Okay, and watermelon, especially summer season we will eat watermelon. Okay, yes or no? That is watermelon, and this is the watermelon seeds are given. You have to apply the color. Okay, how the watermelon seeds looks exactly, you have to apply this color. Okay, then come to left corner. This is the plum. Okay, PLUM, plum. And you can see here, students, see, this is the PLUM, plum. Okay, so how is exactly looks like plum's color, plum seeds you have to apply. Okay, so this is the plum, this is the mango, this is the watermelon, this is the tomato, this is the sweet lime, this is the groundnut seeds, this is the pea seeds. Yes or no, student? Understood? I hope all of you understood first question, that is color the seeds and write down their names. Okay students, then come to next question. Okay, so let's start next. Yes, question number 2. Name 2 vegetables that have no seeds. Okay, question number 2 is telling name 2 vegetables that have no seeds. You might have saw different types of vegetables in your kitchen. Okay, like brinjal, tomato, and other kinds of capsicum. Okay, these are the vegetables. Inside tomato, inside brinjal there are seeds. But you have to say 2 vegetables name that don't have any seeds inside the vegetables. Can anyone identify or can anyone remind what is the name of this vegetables which does not have any seeds inside them? Very good. One is cabbage, student. Okay, first one is cabbage. See, this is the cabbage. Cabbage, you might have eaten cabbage and there is no seeds inside the cabbage. Okay students, now come to second, cauliflower. Cauliflower is a fruit. Is a flower. There is no seeds inside the vegetables. Okay students, so there are 2 vegetables name we have to say, cabbage and cauliflower. They don't have any seeds inside them. Okay, so next question, question number 3. What do you plants need to grow? See student, what do plants need to grow? And I explained in video also what is the main essential part or what is the main essential things plants need to grow. So that is plants need to grow sunlight. Plants needs sunlight, water, air, minerals and soils to grow. Okay students, especially once again I repeat the question with answer. Question number 3, what do plants need to grow? So plants need sunlight, water, air, minerals and soils to grow. Plants need sunlight, water, air, minerals, soil to grow. Okay, plants need, how we needs water, food, air and different types of minerals and nutrients. Like this, plants also need sunlight, water, air and minerals and soil. Especially soil is very important for plants. Okay, from soil plant will absorb minerals and water. I have explained in video. Very good students. Okay, understood? I hope all of you understood. Now come to question number 4. Name 3 places where plants can be found. Okay, name 3 places where plants can be found. Now you just tell me where, name the 3 places you can found the plants. Okay, or you can observe the plants. Especially in our outside around you can observe many plants, but there is specific place is there where plants will grow very huge amount. That is, first one is forest. Okay, first one is forest. Okay, second one is garden, third one is mountain. In 3 places you can found a huge amount of plants. Yes or no students? Yes, in 3 places, especially forest, garden, mountain, you will found many huge and different types of plants. Okay, so name the 3 places where plants can be found. Okay, you can write forest, you can write garden, you can write mountain also. So these are the 3 places especially we can found different types of plants in huge amount. Okay, lots of plant, huge amount of plant. Okay students, understood all questions? I hope all of you understood properly. Yes or no? So this is the workbook, already you are finished. Now what we have to do, we have to write whatever I written, whatever I explained now, you have to write on your notebook, workbook, okay, with the help of pencil, and you have to practice. Next class when you will come for homework correction, I will ask the questions. Okay students, I hope all of you understood. Thank you students very much. Take care. Bye bye.